So I just got my oil changed, and just like last time, I forgot how to reset the oil change warning light. So I had to look it up, which is kind of a pain in the butt. So I figured this time I would record the process. So if I need to do it again and I forget, I can just watch my own video. So I'll put the key in, turn it on. And sure enough, there's the warning. So what you have to do is press down on both the gas pedal and the brake the same time for like 30 seconds. And there you have it. So hopefully next time I'll remember it, but if not, I can just refer back to this video. So anyways, this is the process for a 2012 Ford Focus.